The world is racing toward electrification, but obstacles still slow us down. Imagine if fixing this problem were as simple as a single tap. Introducing the SkillFusion platform, the smart solution revolutionizing green energy infrastructure. SkillFusion goes beyond identifying problems. It guarantees solutions, from downtime to reliability. Picture this: solar panels, energy storage systems, EV chargers, 3 critical sectors powered by one intelligent platform. Our app automates repair and maintenance, seamlessly connecting malfunctioning assets with the closest certified technician in real time. Just like your favorite rideshare app, but for renewable energy. From coast to coast, SkillFusion's network is lighting up the map. One skilled connection at a time, we're building the energy infrastructure of the future. Certified, skilled, ready for any challenge. Our proprietary MicroTraX platform ensures cross-training across EV and renewable energy assets, making every technician a versatile expert. Demand for EVs is soaring. Renewable energy adoption is accelerating. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a scalable solution to the challenges of a green future. Imagine a world where EV chargers always work, renewable systems run seamlessly, and skilled technicians make it all possible. SkillFusion, empowering the green energy revolution, one solution at a time. Are you ready to invest in the future?